Hello everyone and welcome back to another calendar time with Miss Hulbert. Let's get started with our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, so looking at our calendar, we can see that yesterday was Sunday the 7th, which would mean that today is what? Correct. Today is Monday. And if yesterday was the 7th, then today would be the 8th. So let's put that right up on our calendar and say it all together. Today is Monday, June 8th, 2020. And the season is still spring, even though it's probably been feeling a lot like summer. So let's do some review and figure out what tomorrow is. So we know that today is Monday, so let's put that right up here. And we already said that yesterday was Sunday, so we'll put that up here. And if today is Monday, that would make tomorrow Tuesday. So let's put that right up here. Now, because it is Monday, that means it is our letter of the week. And today's letter of the week is the letter P. So what you do to make a P is you stick out your index finger and you point your middle finger down, and then you put your thumb right in between. It's like a K, and then it just goes down. The letter P. So let's practice writing the letter P. So what we do is we make a line, and then we give it a little round top, like a rainbow on its side. And then for a lowercase p, we make a line, and then we give it another sideways rainbow. So there's our uppercase P and our lowercase p. I hope you practice that at home. Now let's think of some P words. I know I can think of some. How about people, or play, or party? Okay, another word that starts with P is pattern. So I'm going to teach you about patterns today. So a pattern is something that repeats itself over and over and over. So here's an example of what a pattern isn't. So let's say we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all different numbers, and they keep going in a sequence, but they're not repeating themselves. Here's an example of a pattern. 1, 2, and if it's going to repeat itself, what do you think comes next? If you say the letter 1, you're right. So it goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and it'll continue being 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 over and over and over again because it's a pattern. Here, I'll do another example with shapes. Okay, so let's try another pattern. Here we have a triangle, then a square, and if we want to make it a pattern, what do you think is going to come after the square? That's right, a triangle, Then we put another square. Triangle, square, triangle, square. It keeps repeating itself over and over. And that's how you make a pattern. You can make a pattern with anything you want. You can use colors, shapes, toys that are the same or different from each other. I want you to be creative and make a pattern and take a picture of it and then send it to me on SeeSaw so I can see the awesome patterns you guys have made. Okay, let's figure out what the weather is today. So looking outside, we can see that it is very cloudy. And they're not just our normal like white fluffy clouds, but they're gray, dark clouds, which means they're rain clouds. So we're gonna put cloudy and also a chance of rain. And it's a little bit windy out there. And it's pretty cool. So we're going to put up the picture of the rain clouds. Sometimes it's nice to have rainy days because it gives our plants water. So it's not a bad thing. Okay, and there is our weather for today. Now, as we know, Henry loves to play outside, rain or shine, so he is ready to play in some puddles. So he's wearing his rain jacket, his blue pants, and his red and white shoes. He's ready to go. So if you decide to play outside today, make sure you put on your rain gear. I will see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic Monday. Bye.